Welcome and let's learn the days of the week in Kiswahili. Siku za wiki. In Kiswahili, we say Jumatatu, which means Monday. There is Jumanne, Jumanne, which means Tuesday. Here is Jumatano, Jumatano, which means Wednesday. There is Alhamisi, Alhamisi, which means Thursday. There is a day known as Ijumaa, Ijumaa, which means Friday. There is a day known as Jumamosi, Jumamosi, which means Saturday. And lastly, there is a day known as Jumapili, Jumapili, which means Sunday. Thank you for watching.